This is the brief on Introduction to Supply Chain Management. Okay, think about something simple, like a bottle of water. You know, we tend to think the price is just for the water and the plastic, right? But really, what you're paying for is this massive system of logistics, labor, and overhead. That whole system, that's the supply chain. And if you can understand that, you can pretty much understand how any product gets its price. So first, let's talk about scope. Supply chain management, or SCM, isn't just for physical products. It's huge for services too. I mean, look at a hotel. They're basically manufacturing an experience using physical stuff like beds and food. So knowing SCM is absolutely critical to running a service business well. Second, let's look at the core structure. A supply chain usually has an anchor, which we call the focal firm. That's typically the company making the final product. And around it, you've got 5 common players: raw materials suppliers, component makers, the focal firm itself, distributors, and then the retailers. And the direction things move is key. We call it upstream when you're moving back toward the supplier, and downstream when you're heading toward the customer. And finally, SCM is really broken down into 4 main functions. Think of them like 4 pillars. You've got supply management, which is all about your suppliers. Then there's operations management. That's everything happening inside your own company, like quality control and tracking inventory with systems like ERP. Third is distribution, which is all about getting the finished product out the door and to the customer. And the last one, integration, is the glue that coordinates everything: the products, the info, and the cash across the whole chain. It's all about designing and managing seamless, value-added processes across company lines to meet the real needs of the end customer.